Today we eat our way through Traque, one full village day.
These herbs perfume everything we'll taste.
You can smell it before you even taste it.
This is the flavor sauce.
If the sign says Traque,
I stop. Dạ, cho con một phần nhiều rau nhé.
Peanuts and chili, this is gonna pop.
crunch is part of the plan.
Pesto, mì Quảng, must be herb heavy. Not soupy, just enough to coat.
Traque herbs go in last, always.
Cô ơi, ngon quá, đúng vị làng.
Cảm ơn cháu.
Next quest, the signature herb plate at a home kitchen.
The rinse alone sounds like freshness.
This dip is the whole conversation.
3 simple things: shrimp, pork, and herbs locked together.
This is Traque on one bite.
Fresh, sweet, and herbal, like the garden turned edible.
Listen, this is the taste.
In Traque, food feels like a welcome.
Each leaf has a job: cool, spicy, and funky.
Quest 3, Cao Lầu, Hoi An's Proud Bowl.
Different noodle, same herb obsession.
That too, then the herbs lift everything.
Dạ, cho con xin thêm rau trà quế.
Rau quế.
Được rồi, lấy thêm đi con.
One dip, then stop. Let the herbs speak.
Midday in Traque is loud, cicadas and appetite.
We wrap it tight, keep it crunchy.
It tastes like the field, clean and alive.
Herbs. Crunch. Chew. Traque's trio.
That sizzle means snack time.
Crispy meets green every time.
Feast is coming.
Quest 4. Build a Hoi An dinner from the market.
Same village herbs, different dishes, same magic.
Hoi An chicken rice start with great chicken, no shortcuts.
That warm yellow rice is a Hoi An signature.
Crunch, herbs, and a bright dressing, perfect with rice.
Hoi An flavors move in layers, soft, crisp, bright.
Now we follow the smell of dinner into the old town.
Golden hour here smells like charcoal and herbs.
Quest 5. Hoi An's iconic dumplings.
They look like flowers and eat like silk.
A light dip. Then one clean bite.
So gentle, then the shrimp pops through.
Của quý khách đây ạ. Next bite, pure crunch, Hoi An style.
Crispy first, then the herbs reset your palate.
That crunch is ridiculously satisfying.
Hoi An nights are built for small bites and long walks.
Uống thử ly này đi, vừa mát vừa thơm.
This is the reset before the main meal.
Quest 6. The full Hoi An chicken rice plate.
Those trache herbs make the chicken feel lighter.
Rice, chicken, crunch, herbs. One perfect mouthful.
Listen, Hoi An dinner has its own rhythm.
Dessert quest. Hoi An has a soft spot for sweet corn.
Sweet corn and coconut, simple and comforting.
It's dessert that feels like a hug.
Not too sweet, just enough to linger.
Ginger syrup makes the night air feel warmer. This texture is pure silk.
Soft, clean, and fragrant. Perfect after rice.
Hoi An tastes louder in the street and softer by the river.
Everything today kept circling back to those herbs.
In Traque, greens aren't a garnish, they're the main character.
Even at night, the herbs still smell like morning.
One more quest tonight, something truly local and late.
We've tasted the town. Next, we go deeper into the village craft.
Quest 7. A Cẩm Nam snack locals crave at night.
Bánh đập means crunch, then even more crunch.
This crackle is the whole point.
Tiny clams, huge flavor. Hoi An knows.
Soft, crisp, briny, green, one stack.
It shatters, then the clams hit.
Hoi An snacks sound as good as they taste.
Dạ ngon quá, đúng kiểu Cẩm Nam. Cảm ơn. Cảm ơn.
We ate the town, now we chase the craft behind it.
Hoi An wakes up in the kitchen, hours before the sun.
This is where tomorrow's bowls begin.
One smooth circle, no waste, no rush.
It's so thin you can see the steam through it.
Quiet work, repeating perfectly.
Every stack is tomorrow's breakfast.
This is the sound of Hoi An mornings.
Dạ cảm ơn cô sạch chú, tụi con quay nhanh thôi.
Next stop, the market that feeds the herbs.
Which bite would you start with?